Hi, I am Dr. Jilesh. I am Reiki Grandmaster. I am Doctor of Life Coach, expert in Hoodoo Conjure, ATR system itself. I am here to share with you some traditional magical baths which is time tested, easy to access and highly beneficial for you and for your family members. And in future videos I will be sharing. Actually, this video is about removing negative energies, hex, black magic and curses from your aura, body, mind, so that you can live a positive life. And in this video I will be explaining how and what ingredients you have to get to have it with the spiritual bath, the magical bath, which can bring real change in your life. Let us take an example. When you are working from morning to evening, or you are involved in any business and you are messed up in some work or in business, or had some conflict with your colleagues or friends, when you come back at home, you feel negativity, you feel drained, and when you take a bath, take a shower, and you come out of the shower, immediately you feel that something has been cleared from your inside and you have a peaceful sleep at night. So my point is that the water has the power to clear your negative energies which has been filled from morning to evening. Let us take a look at another example. When you go to a beach, you feel happy. Every people feel happy at beach because water has a power to clear the negative energies and attract the positive energies. So you feel that experience, so you feel that positive energy there. So like this, each and every herbs or few natural things carries its own information, and that unique and ancient ingredients we can use, the secrets we can use to get rid of the negative energies and attract positive energies. So in this video I will be sharing with you how to clear the negative energies from your body, mind and aura. And in future videos, and according to subject, as it's a spiritual magical bath, I will be sharing with you in future upcoming videos magical bath to attract good health, magical bath to attract financial gains, magical bath to attract love, magical bath to attract blessings, and etc. You can expect in future videos. And after this magical spiritual bath, I will be sharing with you in another videos the secrets of Hoodoo, conjuring, ATR system, African tribe system, and many ancient and traditional ways of healing subjects I am going to share with you. The secrets also I will share. I will not be sharing big secrets with you because that I am not allowed to share with you. because it can hurt you sometimes. So few things which you can do at home, and you can stay positive, you can attract some positive things in your life. That I will be definitely sharing with you in coming future videos. For magical bath to clear negative energies, evil eye, curse, etc., you need following ingredients. One, you need a handful of anise seed. Handful of anise seed. You have to put handful of anise seed into boiling water. Second thing you need is sea salt. Handful of sea salt, and put it in the boiling water. Third thing you need is handful of clove. Clove you can put in the boiling water in the pot. Fourth thing you need is 3 pieces of lemon. You can cut, and you can take 3 pieces of lemon, and you can put it in the boiling water, and you have to boil it for minimum 20 minutes, and then you can add 3 teaspoons of honey. 3 teaspoons of honey inside that boiled water. These things you can use in the boiling water. After 20 minutes, you can take that pot, and you can put it in the bathtub. You can just put that water in the bathtub, and fill it with normal temperature water, and you can take the bath. Or if you are not using the bathtub, you can put it in the in any bucket, and you can just normalize the temperature of the water with some normal temperature water, and you can take the bath. While you take the bath, you have to just follow one thing. 3 times you have to you have to say, you have to keep the hands like this, and when you take the bath, just say that to clear all negative energies. Just keep the hand like this, and like this, through just clearing your aura. Just say, clear all negative energies, curses, hacks from my aura, from my body and my mind, and just do this thing 3 times, and just imagine that the negative energy from your aura is just going away from your body. Just do it 3 times. Just take the bath, just finish the bath, and then you can just use your shower, normal water shower, and after that you can come out, and you can see the changes. You can feel that thing inside you. You can feel that something has gone from inside you, and day by day you can see the changes. 2 days I highly recommend you can do weekly. It's Friday and Sunday you can try this magical bath to clear the negative energies. It's the best days to try this magical bath. So you can try it, and just after a week, 2 weeks, you can just leave a comment below in the comment section, and you can share your experiences.